Okay, I'm back out here late in the evening time to finish transplanting my brassicas that I purchased from the local feed and seed that I got the suggestion from Broke Farmers channel to go and check out my local feed and seed to get some lower prices than what the big box store is selling for purchasing transplants. I didn't get as good of a deal as he did because at his local feed and seed he was able to buy 25 to 50 bolts of cabbages and collard greens and different other kind of brassicas that he purchased at a much lower rate and than what I was able to find. But I found them much lower than what the big box stores are selling them at. Right now they selling one individual plant for $5.99 and some for $9.99 and higher. Ridiculous prices. But I was able to find some that in 3 packs and 4 packs of transplants at much lower prices than the big box stores, and I was glad to get them. So I got me some cabbage and some broccoli, some more cabbage over here, different kind, and I got me some curly kale. My oldest daughter liked kale, so I told her I was gonna grow her some kale. So let me get busy getting this transplants in these beds. I got some other areas that I'm gonna put them in. I didn't want to have them transplanting them in all that heat of the day, so I'm out here late trying to get it done. So let me get busy transplanting my cabbage, broccoli, kale, and I'm gonna sow a lot of my lettuce seeds as well, and some more of my collard greens seeds in different areas, and my mustard green seeds. So let me get busy. Okay, I have one row of my cabbage transplanted so far. Now go over here and get these transplant placed in over on this side. Okay. One more, let me get that one, and I'll be done. I have my cabbage transplanted in the garden bed now. I have 6 of them over in this area. I'm gonna cover them all with some of my straw mulch and water them in. I still have squash over here growing, but I'm gonna put a row of my broccoli transplants down in this area. Okay, come on, y'all, grow now. Okay, I have my row of broccoli transplants in the garden bed now. Okay, y'all, come on and grow. Grow a lot of broccoli for us. See over there, okay, squash. I see you trying to still have a flower on you. Come on now, grow us some squash. Over here, I have my 2 varieties of cabbage. Come on, cabbage, grow for us. I have some more transplants here. It's getting late. I think I'm just gonna wait and transplant them tomorrow. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my curly kale in the ground tonight. And watch all of these vegetables grow for my family. Come on now. Grow us a lot of cabbage and broccoli. I already have my collard greens and my mustard greens already growing in the garden bed. Gotta add some more seeds for my mustard green bed. And I sowed already in another garden bed some more collard greens. So I'm just waiting for them to come on and germinate and grow us a lot of collard greens, brassicas. Come on, brassicas. It's y'all season. Starting to get cooler for you. So come on and grow us a lot of food for my family this season. I covered the bed with the straw. So come on and grow in abundance for us. Okay, let me get busy planting these transplants over here that I got from my local feed and seed for $1.99 each. Whereas the big box stores, they wanted $5.99 for just one. I think I got a good deal. And this is the curly leaf kale. My daughter liked this in her salads, so I'm planting this for her. She likes to stir fry the kale too, as well as putting them in her salads. Like she be doing her spinach. So let me get busy transplanting this curly leaf kale in this garden bed over here. Okay, I have my curly kale transplanted in here in the garden bed. Now I'm going to cover them also with some of the straw. And watch them grow. Okay, come on. Water them in real good. Okay, eggplant, you gotta come on and do something. You ain't do nothing. Oh Lord, look at that, y'all. Look what I done found. Slug up there with all her babies attached to it. I gotta get that one out of here, out of this garden bed, or it's gonna attack my other plants that I'm growing in here. Let me get that out of here now. Glad I saw you. Look at that. Look at all of them little babies on them. We're about to drop them in this bed, and they're gonna attack my plants. Let me get him out of here. You go over that way somewhere. Lord, I see you. You didn't want to go with the rest of them, but I'm gonna get you. Get off of here. On the back of this eggplant here. Okay. Glad I saw that. Okay. Let me finish putting this straw around my plants here, and I'm gonna call it a day. Okay. Got my curly kale transplants in the garden bed now. I also picked up a pepper chili that's in the cayenne family. I'm gonna chop these up and dry them out and chop them up and make me some spicy cayenne pepper out of them. Look how beautiful. Yes. They should get a little bit bigger before I go dry them out and chop them up for to make my chili pepper sauce out of them, or make me some spicy cayenne pepper seasoning out of it. And over here I got me one of what they call a Acapulco pepper, and they said they're supposed to be hot, so I'm gonna add them with my cayenne peppers and make a spicy chili seasoning out of them. Or I can mix them in with some of my spaghetti sauce or different meals that I make. Chili sauce. It'll make it have a nice taste to it. Hopefully it's not too hot. I'm getting ready to put them in a bigger pot, give them a little more room to grow, and set them outside so they can get some of the fresh air and grow bigger for us.